I am Spartan.
Careful who you cross, careful who you test. Give me your worst and you'll get my best. 'Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down.
What's up, dirty face?
A little orange.
I'm a lot orange.
I'm never doing this again.
Standing like a mountain, looking the devil right in his eyes. Know how to back down, how to back down.
Ready to get this done, Blair?
Welcome to the chaos.
It is chaos.
I've already tripped once and we haven't even made it out of the makeshift parking lot.
She's wearing her trail shoes this morning and is not used to those clown feet.
Oh man. We'll see what happens.
Yep.
You're honored by your courage to commit for excellence, but know this. Today, your mind, body, and soul are going to be put to the ultimate test.
Good job, Blair. Good job. Ring that bell. Yeah, baby.
Man, if he wasn't
Gala. Mile one done.
Nice job, babe. Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell.
Go team.
Man.
Got it. Ah.
I want you to go walk over there. Stretch out. Go. Go stretch out.
No.
Got the one behind you.
Ah. Dang it.
Blair coming out of the penalty box.
For 2,000 miles. Ah. I don't miss it.
Nope.
Nice.
Careful who you cross, careful who you test. Give me your worst and you'll get my best. 'Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. Careful, I'm a lion, don't test my pride. Standing like a mountain, looking the devil right in his eyes. Oh, how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down.
Thanks, Brent.
No,
Yeah, man. All right.
I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't.
Blair.
I'm never doing this again.
Why not?
I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. Fighter. Got no limits. I got no.
It gave me so much anxiety going under that thing. I was so scared. Like, I know what it is, but I was so scared.
Know how to back down, how to back down. was born a fighter. I rise up, I rise up like smoke.
2 obstacles later, and I would do this again.
This is it, babe.
Yep.
Born a fighter. I rise up, I rise up like smoke from a gun. Like a brand new sun.
Big jump, big jump, big jump.
I was born a fighter. I rise up, I rise up.
Okay.
I rise up, I rise up. Since the day I was born a fighter. I am a fighter.
What's that dirty face?
Little orange.
I'm a lot orange.
Well, I feel like one of those guys in, what did I say it was? The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
I feel like Donald Trump.
Oh. Pop culture, yes. But the orange Oompa Loompas is what everyone else looks like walking around.
Yeah. I feel like I have makeup on my face.
Yeah, for sure.
How was your first Spartan race?
The worst part was going in those mud pits.
Down underneath?
Yeah, that was the worst part.
Yeah.
I thought it was just going to be one mud pit, and then you go underneath. Well, really, I thought all you had to do is go underneath. But there were 2 mud pits before you even had to go underneath. So you get through the first one, and you're like, yeah, it's over.
That's not.
And then you see another one, and you're like, no. And then you come up the hill, and there's the one you have to go under.
Yep.
Yep.
It's fun, though. 6 miles, I guess. What were we doing?
Yeah, 6.2 miles. Yeah. 10K.
Well, we passed quite a few people from the heat before we started.
Yeah.
I felt great. Like I could have just zoomed through that whole thing pretty fast.
Yeah, the running part I enjoyed. I think I had to penalty like 3 obstacles, maybe 4. And primarily, 3. It was my grip strength and my upper body strength.
Yeah, the rope.
Yep.
That one swingy monkey bar.
Yep, the 2 rings with the bar.
Yep, and
the bag pull at the end. I had to.
Yeah, that was so hard because the rope was slippy.
Yeah, everyone was all wet right after. Yep. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, they should put that before the water.
Right before the water. Yeah, so you can get your grip.
Had a good time. I'm gonna go see if we can wash this makeup off.
Yeah. Yep.
Go team.
Go team.
I need you to get a photo of that.
Can I go further?
It looks like you had Halloween decorations on.
Oh.
Yes.
I don't even know where to begin.
Oh my Lord. Pepper.
I'm ready again.
You might ask why we're doing this outside, because the amount of mud, like I washed off at the thing, Blair kind of washed off, but the water was cold. It's no warmer here, but the shower, this mud is like oily and just sticks to everything. So we're just trying to keep as much of it out of the tanks as possible. And the water pressure in there is probably not enough to get all that dirt out of her hair. But, oh man.
Oh man is right. Now I probably got to go shampoo at least 2 or 3 times.
Yep. I would venture to say yes. Piper, come back, over here. No, over here. Come around. This way.